How to connect OpenSea wallet to blockchain.com wallet. If you wish to connect your OpenSea app to blockchain.com, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. First of all, you launch the OpenSea app and then just make sure you see this type of interface. So you can tap the profile icon from the bottom right. It will ask us to log in. When you tap on login, it will give us a pop-up to use a wallet. By the way, make sure that you have the blockchain app on your device. You've downloaded and even logged into your blockchain.com app. Then when you tap on continue, it will give you a list of wallet apps that you have. Since we're trying to connect it to blockchain, select the option that says blockchain right here. It will ask us for our blockchain pin on the blockchain.com app. So make sure to enter your pin, and once you've done that, it will sync your account, where it will also ask us for a pop-up if you want to connect it. And here you can see it will ask me for a pop-up. So once I tap on connect, my OpenSea will be successfully connected to my trust wallet. This way you'll be able to connect your OpenSea account to blockchain.com. I hope that this video helps you out, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.